going on? Welcome back to my channel. Back updating my issue tracker. And honestly, the reason I haven't been uploading, I want to be more consistent, and I will be, is basically because I just been trying to like reach certain goals. Like I want to reach a certain point on here and then upload. But it's like I'm really thinking on it. I really should just work on it on here and kind of just like edit out. Like if it's too long, kind of just edit out and like show like the main parts. This is what I'm gonna do now. But regardless, I have been working on this, made updates pretty much in this one, adding more React Tools device, so like the notifications that pop up when I sign in. I'd implement this, I'll do towards the end, and then just adding components. So like I've added pretty much I've had all of these. I've added a router that allows you to go between each page, toast containers, which are the toast notifications that pop up when you log in, delete users, authorization. Actually, yeah, most of this I realized I was doing this without looking at the actual like rules or like the what's required. So now I'm actually going through and refactoring and making everything work how it's supposed to work. But the login form, all this is correct. I'm gonna go ahead and skip down to what I've been working on. I'm gonna show you first, but shall I go through this? So basically, I restyle my things. I'll show you to have cards. Let me sign in first. So we got my accounts. Click the wrong thing. StevenAdams at gmail.com. Go ahead and sign in. And then welcome back. And then, okay, so I kept this the same. I'm going to go ahead and show this real quick and then hop over to users. So I added these bootstrap pills, which are a really nice feature. You can have multiple next to each other, but for these only require one thing you pick. And then for status, it's either closed or open. This is a nice little feature to have. And then I got these, got delete still working. I got it to where actually I updated this so where it picks up the ID because originally it was only picking up the ID of the last one that was being rendered, and each of these would say memory leak during video playback. So now I got that working, which is really nice. Added a little color to this heading tag, and then so we're gonna come in here, pulls it up. I even add this. This looks really nice. It's got a little hover effect for cards, so it looks like it's being pushed over. It's really nice. It's visual feedback to know you're on it. So basically, nice card. You can come here and edit whatever. It still works. And then you see how if I let me save that. You see, I'll come back into it. Please fix ASAP. Update it. If you notice here, I only have like the bare minimum, which was the requirements, right? Just have like title, classification, status, just seeing. And then once you okay, I'm gonna go into it and see everything. If I have access to edit it, now I can see steps to reduce, assign to, duplicate. I'm gonna add a little bit more, but it's just like I think I have to add one or two more things. But yeah, I need to fix. That's when a lot of this video, a good portion of the video at least, is gonna be fixing this because this is supposed to show who was assigned to, and then since I have access to edit it, I will be able to go through and assign it to someone else. Actually, no. Yeah. I think I'll have to go back and look. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Be able to assign it to someone else. Yeah, I'm not really sure, but this is supposed to be displaying all the users, and I know why it's not working, so I'm gonna hopefully fix that. Shouldn't take too long. Hop over users. These are really nice cards. Again, very minimal. It just shows the users and their email. It has an animation where you go over it, and tell that you're on top of it. I really like that. And I got this, and then I gotta add this one because how the previous one was, so where you can edit it. This one only has delete, so that's kind of where I'm at with this. Got a nice little date format that shows the date and doesn't show like the time, but I want to add more to where it shows who was created by and something else. But I like this. It took me a while to finish this today. It's nice. because initially this is showing all the information for each of these users instead of just the one that I clicked on. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of styling this. Like I want this to be centered. That's kind of how I like my sites. I want it to be centered. Yeah, and then obviously this footer needs to properly go down at the bottom. And once the centering happens, there'll be space at the top so it doesn't look so collapsed and just pushed together. And then another change. I'm not gonna work on all this on this video. It's gonna be split up in the videos, obviously. But I want like users and bugs to have its own little like sidebar right here, and maybe add a couple more things, and then have like little subsections so like users. Right, you click on users and it's like edit user, and it's like you'll be able to do that only if you have permission. But it's have you have the permission of technical manager or admin, you'll be able to come in here, edit the user, delete all that. They have a super nice layout. I'm gonna definitely expand upon this, and this issue tracker mainly is just gonna have like home, the search. I'm gonna have a search bar, which will be the filter across. Well, I like that layout. I like home. Keep this home, search bar. Have like the I like this, which I'm basing some of my site off of. I'm taking inspiration from the site. This right, little icon. If you don't have icon, just have default icon there. You can manage your account theme. I definitely want to be able to allow users to switch between dark and light. Notifications, some other things. Settings, you have to come here. If you're admin, you can user management, some of that stuff. And then kind of on the side, as I was saying, I have like users bugs, and I have like little sub routes underneath this. So you can click on it to expand and like drop down. There's more options. But yeah, and even this size of my main thing I want to do after I get everything else working, I want to be able to categorize it to do in progress instead of just bugs. Again, I'm not worried about it now because that's kind of like more advanced. Like this works for now. Eventually adding the ability to click next because there's more than 5 bugs. To be able to see the next bugs and next bugs and filter by only bugs that are open, bugs that are approved. I mean, just making the workflow a lot better. And then simple stuff like this, like home. Let's say I still want to have like a welcome cover page, basically saying like click here to get started. Something simple. I'm not gonna overcomplicate it. But that's enough of the features. That's all the features I have. Yeah, that's all the features I have. So I'm gonna work on this for a bit. And yeah, first I want to get started on. Let me look at the setting. I mean, not the settings. The lab really quickly. I guess I haven't copied it, so I can't click and cancel things out. But relevant information may be added, so yeah, I can add a little bit more. Do not include full bug description on the list item. Okay. Bug editor. Even like refactoring and renaming the names of things because they're not properly, they're not the right names. They can be a little bit confusing, so I gotta rename some of my pages. This is bug editor. This is for implementing the interface of editing a bug. Okay, yeah, I have that. That's what that was, where I was changing like the let's see, bugs edit. Yeah, this is my edit bug list or bug editor. Bugs, and then I got delete. Let's see. I guess first things first, I did say majority of the video is gonna be off this bugs. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. Cause I'm trying to figure out the logistics, of like how to fix this. Like I said, I think I know. So to be able to get that, let me come and show you real quick. The I was doing getting the users, trying to list that, but I realized in order to be able to get the bugs and it's assigned to, I have to obviously get the bugs. Just one of those situations where it's like you could have the right idea, but then you realize, oh, I'm supposed to be getting it from here. That's something to do with databases. I'm supposed to be getting it from bugs, not getting from users and listening to users. I need to get this. I need to get the ID, or I need to get the username. I need to get either the assigned to user ID or assigned to username. Just to keep it simple, I probably just get assigned to user ID because no, it doesn't matter actually, because they're even though these aren't technically linked to each other, just this is enough. So okay, Anthony Davis, let me find that in the database. Okay, this is user ID. Either way, I could just do it and figure it out. So first, I need to get bugs, fetch the data for that, and then we just go from there. So that's in bug editor. So we're gonna close all this. I normally like to have like multiple open. I'm just gonna try and keep one open, keep things simple. It's like users. I don't even need this. We're gonna rechange this to bugs. Even though I have a bug set bug, maybe I can expand upon that actually and just change this to API/bugs. Yeah, I don't think I need to reinvent the wheel, or do I? Set bug response set data. Wait, so this gets the bugs, cause right here I'm able to display bug dot full. Okay, I have it to user. Never mind. What I can do is let's do this really quickly and just see if it returns what I want it to return. So we're gonna do assign to username. That's fine. Username. Username. That's fine. Oh, that's not even correct. ID has to be the same as the HTML4 username. Okay, because if I look at these, ID description, HTML4 description. Okay, yeah, I didn't even realize that. Alright, assign to user. If there's no username that's being assigned to, select the user. I mean, it wouldn't be disabled though, because even though it's not being assigned, you would still want to assign it to something, to somebody. So I can take disabled off. Or I don't want it to be clicked actually. Yeah, that's disabled's fine. I just need to. I don't think this is necessary actually. Now I'm thinking about it, because this would be the exact same thing. Regardless, this needs to have that. I need to have the option to. Or no, I'm trying to think. You always gotta react. You always gotta think of the situations that could occur, what you could run into. So it's like if there's no user, if the bug is not being assigned to a user, then you need to select the user. But in order to select the user, it has to be information that's being mapped to the user. So if no user is being assigned to, then the first option needs to be blank and say select the user. And then in order to select the user, I think it'd be fine if I just map over it twice because they're independent. It's independent code. Like this won't affect that. Like I can do. I'm not okay. Users dot map. Yeah, this should be fine. User. The arrow function. It's console.log. User dot full name. It's the same thing. User ID. User full name. Maybe it will say that you can't use this twice. Let's see. How do I have this set up? I got multiple. So this one is boom. Got that. There's a lot going on. I'm not gonna lie to you. Got that going on. It's my. So apparently this doesn't have a. This isn't linked to anything. So apparently that's with that. So I think I need another one. I always do this. Like I can figure it out. I just want to save time. It's like syntax. I'm not like asking for the code. I just want to see what's happening. So you can't use multiple user maps. It's redundant. Okay, well, that's what I had. Wait, see now I'm confused because now there's two users map. If not assigned, select the user. Yes, I need to delete this. That's literally the exact same thing. They said not redundant. I don't know. User.map if not assigned to and value equals disabled. What is it? Assigned to username. Assigned to username. Console.log bug.assigned to username. Option key. Set this to bug. Set this to bug. I think it's fine. A little more clarification. Can I find bugs? So, okay, it's not being used. I already have a bug set bug. So I think should I set bug? But go. Or set bug to be the value. Oh, bugs that map. What's the user can? Oh, it's not being used at all. So here it's setting the bug, but then you're gonna be resetting the bug, which is fine. We're just gonna try it and see what happens. So this is bugs. I don't know if this will work. Set bugs. Oh wait, I'm gonna try both ways because this is just getting a single bug technically. Like I could set up two of them. We'll see. I'll probably just try and do just the one set bugs. Oh, I'm tired. It's fine though. Push through this video real quick. Um, we got bugs. I was just on bug. Um, then response. Let's go down. Set to reduce bugs.map. Okay, that's good now. Yeah, cause I updated the. We gonna try it. Oh, set bugs is not updated. What I set bugs to? Is there a reason to set a bug? So set aside to username. It did. I zoned out for a second. My bad. Okay, let's try this. Let's go ahead and refresh. Let's go ahead and boom. It's not returning anything. Let's check the console. It's undefined still. Hmm. Don't know why. Is it turning user still? Wait a minute. Hold up. Object. I want bugs though. Why is it returning users? Why is it? I click on bugs. Why is it returning user? Undefined users. Oh, that update there. Um, bugs out of such is turning. full name. Console.log. Um, I'm really trying to sit there and think, so I'm quiet. Bugs that map bug option key bug ID value bug dot full name. Well, that's not correct. So that would make sense. This is bad logic. Either way, it's either bad logic or it's bad syntax. One of the two. Bad algorithm. Cause I got that all looks right. I'm not sure if it'll work still, but we can try. Never should try. Getting users retrieved successfully for some reason. Oh, I update the path, right? Users. Yeah, on load is getting users, which is fine, but I also needed to get the bugs. Everything about that. The point of this to list users. Let's see. Main bug, updated bug, spread of bug, title. Um, let's see. So displaying the bug details, open a page, getting, fetching user details. So that's everything. Getting car, house. What am I talking about? Okay, we got. Mm, you talk about users and response. Uh, Updating bug. Bugs. They actually might have done some. It wants to load data now, I think. Bug successfully fetched. That's owner. Still undefined. Trying to figure that out. I don't know why it's undefined. Signed username. So like, obviously, this is what should be displaying. I think it was. Oh. Like where? Check the console. Getting undefined. We're also getting users to be returned. Bugs returned. Bugs successfully fetched. Undefined. I don't know why. I don't know. Mm, Class name, steps to produce. Is not what I'm on. Select the user to sign. If not assigned. How do I display alright. Um, I think that's fine if it returns empty. Then you just select something and give it the ability to be able to be changed. I think it's fine if there's no default. Maybe I will do this though. Option value. Yeah, default. Select user. The next couple will be mapped in. Map function. I think that works really good, honestly. Make sure my. Okay, mic's working. Yep. Um. Okay. Oh, let's see. Select user. I don't think it's gonna show just yet, but there we go. We got select user showing up at least. Some type of start. It's just not mapping correctly. Bugs that map, and bugs is being stored from the from that. I'm pretty sure. Let's see if we got bugs. I am sure. Oh, it is bugs. Yeah, bugs is being stored in an array. You have to check if it's an array. No, 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 no. I don't think so. Yeah, just dot bugs data bugs response.data.bugs. That should be fine. Um, keep this on it for now. Title, description, form label, form. Okay, so for this part, I was just asking ChatGPT how to map over two separate things of data, and so that's why I pretty much just fast forward to this part. It's not very interesting, and I'll show you the result after. Is a quick, like, I'm not even sure, like a minute long, just like skipping. You can hear a little bit of audio, but no, I muted the audio actually. But yeah, pretty much just doing that. I figured out that I can just simplify instead of trying to list over things. I can just, instead of trying to map over the things, I can just put the names of the people that I want to. I just put three like names that can be mapped to, or not mapped to, but three names that I know for sure in the database, and eventually I'll figure out how to like map over them, because obviously if I add more users, then I'm not gonna be able to manually just adjust each user. So I need a way to, once the user's added, they're added to the pool of people that can be picked up from that. So yeah. Also, originally, no edits. The video was an hour 30 minutes, so I wanted to cut it down. So I was like, let me just speed it up, turn the sound off, and then do a little quick voiceover explaining what happened, and then get right back into it. Like I literally I shaved off like good like 30 minutes if I speed it up by like 10 times. So back out real quick, refresh. Don't tell me it crashed. How? How did it crash? It's loading, right? Huh. Everything is there, I think. Let's see, body. Let me try refreshing it. I don't know. If not, then I'm just gonna redo dev build. I don't think there's anything wrong with this. Yeah, I think it might just been a Visual Studio error. Yeah, that was weird. Alright, I'm still logged in. Let's go ahead and edit. Yeah, there we go. Simple, straight to the point. I mean, should save it now. Assign it to Jalen Williams. I already added that. I'm gonna just change it from that. Select user. Assign to Anthony Davis. Cool. Assign this to someone else. Assign it to Steven Adams. Let's go ahead and make sure these are even updating. Um, UI freezes. I should update it to Anthony Davis. Let's go to bugs. Go ahead and refresh that. UI freezes. Assigned to Anthony Davis. That's good enough for me for right now, at least. Like, eventually, I gotta update assigned to and all that. But let me see actually if that would be even hard to do. Like I said, I think getting everything working just at a base level and then expanding on it upon it and then like adding more users. But like also like if yeah, like that, not very practical to be like add to these users, and once more people add, I'd have to have a way to add them automatically to be able to be assigned to once they have the role admins. I had to figure that out, but for keeping things simple, that's good enough. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I want to add this. I want to add that. I'm I might even just add a little gap between this, make it look better. Let's go to users. I want to. Oh, I want to style this. So got the buttons on the user editor. Buttons on user editor. User editor.jsx, and then I need the user editor.jsx CSS. User editor.jsx. Okay. All we have in here is that makes sense then. Just got button margin. Did I implement it? User editor. We're gonna do this so I can refresh and see it. So I want to push this down, center it. So we got. I don't have much styling on this at all. It's got a parent tag. I guess the parent tag could be a container. Oh, I know. Wait, this is user editor. Oh, I'm not using this right now. I don't think. Let's check my user.jsx or app.jsx. App.jsx. User editor. I'm not using that right now. I'm using the user list item. What is this? Which one is this user list item? I think. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm getting a specific item. I'm gonna get rid of the user editor then, so I'm not confused. Cool. Got user editor. That's good. User list item. Oh, I'm gonna delete this then. I'm not using it anymore. I don't think I need any information from it either. Actually, just in case I need something from this, like to refer to, I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna close it. But I think I'll look at. I'm gonna style it first and then add the edit feature. So I think since I already have it. Oh, I don't even have, it's not even called parent anymore because it's a different class. This is user editor. This is user list item, not user editor. User list item. And then I'm going to card. Okay, so I can do all of this. Card. Oh, I see. Let me have this on card name. Um, user card. So I can name this user card, and then I can do. Should I just copy this? Margin top padding. What do I do? Margin top. I probably need to do more than 2 rem for it to be centered, but. Oh wait, no, 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 no. I'm gonna copy how I had other shit. Let's see. We're gonna do max width of about. I don't know. This over. It might actually override what I want to do, but we'll fix it. Oh, the max width is good. Maybe I'll limit the max height, or I'll push. Let's try this. I'm gonna add more and take these off. I don't need a border. Let's see what this does for it. That didn't do anything. Oh wait, that added this. That affected the style inside of here. And what if I do that? Let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, I don't want that. I don't want it to be like that. User card. So this is the card. Maybe I wrap this all as in a container, or make this a user card container. Yeah, the user card is fine. User card container. It's a little complicated, but user card container. Let's make sure to update this. User card container. I drink some water real quick. I haven't had any water. I don't have any water in my cup. Alright, that's fine. We'll get some after this. User card container. Card 3. These are just default styles. These aren't like. These are just bootstrap styling. Roll trash. I'd have to add the edit. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. I would have to add the edit just next to the delete. I think that'd be fine. Yeah, I had to edit next to the delete. Okay. Um, user card. If I did margin zero auto, let's see what that does. I think we'll just center it. Let's try that. I didn't really do much. Let's do margin. If I do margin top auto, then it'll push it down. But then it might push all the way down. I think this might push all the way down to the bottom. Oh, it didn't do anything. What the fuck? Margin top auto. If I take this off, it's conflicting with the other margin. Let's do this. Refresh. It's not working. I'm doing something wrong because I'm trying to get this entire thing. Car container. Because if I add padding, what does that do? One rim. Yeah, padding makes it go down. So I'm getting the entire thing. I do like 10 rim. Wait, low key, that's not bad, but I think as the page gets smaller, it would like shift over to the right. I can test it though. Let's make this big. Let's make it smaller. Actually, that actually achieved what I wanted. It kind of pushed it towards the center. And then obviously I've been doing media with media ports to where it gets bigger and so. Like this is too small. I think I don't really like this. I want it to stay a certain size. This is too small. Yeah, I don't want this. I don't want it breaking like that. This is like the minimum size you can get, and then the page will stop getting smaller. But that's actually good though. Paddington room. Now we're about this later to where like it stays at this size. I gotta do calculations and all of that. Okay, step in the right direction. Let's do Paddington rim. That makes sense though, because it adds padding 10 rim top left bottom right, and it's like, okay, just go this way towards the center. So I can close that. Only thing about that is it adds padding up here. I don't like that look. I gotta log again, and I think it does it to everything. See how this looks? Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work actually. Cause let me test something real quick. We're just testing a bunch of stuff. If I take this off, it's kind of weird that it's doing that. Oh, I took it off. Never mind. I don't know. That's how it was originally. I need to fix that. This looks very zoomed out. I want it to look better than this. Okay, let's try and add that back on. Yeah, I was like, I thought this had added more space up here somehow. But nah, I'm cool with this. This is fine. User container. What else is there? Edit, roommate came in. Let's see. I'm fine with that styling for now. It's decent enough. Just wanna. I really want to get all the functionality working. Let me make sure my thing's still running. Okay, cool. And I want to add a edit feature in. So I'm going to copy my edit feature from other one, my bug editor. Um, set assigned edit. Where is that's on my users, right? No bugs, and then edit. Yeah, I want this exact same screen. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is like it's nice 'cause I can add like I want to eventually have like a logo and everything. I can just add that on here. Same thing my login screen. Maybe not this, but login screen for sure. I want it kind of like how Google and all them have it. So really they have. I think it looks really nice. This is a nice start. Like this is a solid. Like I can make this gray if I wanted to. Like this is just a very solid form. Just simple. Like I could obviously expand upon it, make it look a little bit nicer, but I like it. So cancel. So this is on the bug list. list bugs. So I need to get this edit feature. Um, ban. Oh, it's a pencil. Okay, so I need to do this, or some, not this, but along these lines of button, button link, and then link it, and then get the so I class pencil. Okay, wait to see. So span button link I, span button link I, and that is on which screen? Span button link I. That's for users. Edit user list item. Span button link. So right above this, users.role div. Cool. Wait, I have this as a div, but I might have to change the div. We'll see. Spin button link. Nope. Link I. Class name by pencil. Let's do this. Import link. Import link from Reactor. That actually. Oh no, I got a link to edit. Oh, I have to make another form, right? Oh, I do have to do that. Damn. Okay. I think I'm gonna end the video. Oh no, I'm gonna at least. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Let's do a side by side real quick, just to make this a lot simpler. Link to bugs. So it's linked to bugs, bug ID, user, user dot ID. Well, which route is that? Isn't this the exact? No, this is different. This is not the bug editor. I don't have a. I'm confused. No, this is the exact same thing. Oh, I have them different. I have the edit. Okay, yeah, I have them reversed, which I think is fine. I just gotta go through and yeah. Next video, I have a lot done. It's gonna be way better than how it is. Mostly just like functionality. Like it's gonna function like really good. I'll definitely work on the CSS. I like changing the styles and everything, but mostly just making sure everything works first, and then like my very last couple episodes, not episodes, things are gonna be styling after everything works. Make it look as nice as possible. Because I want people to use this, and I want to be able to show it off. But okay, this is what I made. Not only does it work, but it looks really good. Oh, cool, cool animations, all that. So we got handle user click. Do I have? Okay, I don't have to worry about this on here. Yeah, link to bugs. This has to link to. Oh, I have to make another one since I'm doing it reverse. This has to be something else. Because I don't know if I know how to do it to where it says edit right here. I don't know if I know how to do it to where I can edit inside of here. Also, I need to display more information anyway. That actually looks really good though. Oh, yeah, not found. I think I'm gonna display this right next to the user to the trash can though. Like that would be nice if I were able to edit it directly in here, but with the peel, it doesn't make too much sense. Are we gonna do a div, or should I just put us two spans next to each? Try to make this a span as well. I think I'll just make this a span, and they should go next to each other. But I don't think they will though. I just do I just do a div? Let's see what a div does. Div, change the span to. Oh, I don't like that. That looks bad. I'm not sure why he's even doing that though. Um, I should at least add names to these so I know what they're even doing. Span class. Even though I'm not gonna probably style them at all, I might style. Let's just name this edit and then this one delete. Wait, what did I just do? I just messed something up. I just have it. Oh, okay, that's right. Class name of delete. It's simple. I could do like edit button, delete button. That would make more sense. Delete button, edit button. Okay. I can just close these. Link to. Oh, I can do button link. I have to figure out how to style them next to each other though. But I can do. Oh, I can just make it a button. I don't need to do all this. I can just do a span. I can. Oh, I can do a span and put them in the divs together. Okay, I know what to do now. Div. Close this. Put them in a span and then. Hold up, am I overthinking this? I'm not. Span. Span. Right, got that. Close the span. Give this some space so I know what I'm looking at. And let's do this. Let's go ahead and get them out at once. Span, wrap all of this in a div. That's one way to automatically put things together. You just wrap them in a div. Cool. That actually works out really nicely. I don't have to style that. They're just together now. And then I can set these to class. I don't even know why I have to do. Oh, I guess you have to set bootstrap button to style it. And this makes it a link. Button link. I might not even need this. If I'm already linking to it. I might just make it a button. Let's try just a button. Class button. Class name of button. Button link text primary. Class name of button. I'll try that. Oh, oh, class name. Oh, button link text danger. Already had. Oh, okay. I already had that on there. Button link. Oh, you can't add text in between. Oh, edits. And I can do like text success, like text warning. Okay, let's go and see what that's doing. Perfect. Oh my god, that looks so nice. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm really happy with that. That I figured that out. That looks amazing. We're definitely going the right path. Now let me just look over what I need to do exactly, and then that's where I'll start the next video, or I'll work on it. And yeah, cause I'm gonna work on it some more today, and I'll just upload another video tomorrow or the day after. Most likely tomorrow if I get like what I wanted to get done and I'm satisfied with it. Short request of the. Oh, what exactly I have to do on here? That's on the user item list. It has no role. Do not include the user's password. I didn't do that. I guess this is everything. Yeah, it doesn't say anything else. Format the date when the user's registered and the date. I already did that. I didn't use moment.js, but I formatted the date. So when the user was registered. That's just me getting info. Um, yeah, that's all I have to list. So I guess this is fine. Maybe I'll just make it a little bit bigger. Well, I still gotta work on this actually being able to go and click and edit everything. But yeah, he said he didn't want. Yeah, this is fine. There's two ways of doing this. I choose to do this way. Yeah, name, email. I'm gonna add some more to it, even though I'm gonna go above the requirements because this just looks too bland. It looks nice though. I like my color scheme a lot. Like this little light blue, the red and orange. This looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me add some like gray or something, or like the so it's not just white. Like I want to add like a little sidebar with black, and then yeah, I'll make this look nice. Make it look more official. Just a bunch of white space. That's the only problem I have on my site right now. Looks very like plain, even though these are like cool. I got little animations and all that, and even like under like underlining or like something. More visual feedback would be really nice, and just more, not too much to look at, but not just this. It just looks plain. So what I was gonna add is the when the user was registered. So that should be simple. That's just user when the user was registered. Created on. Oh, I have that. Never mind. What was I thinking about? Yeah, created on. Oh, but I guess I could do this, right? Hold up. Moment.js. Let's do the docs. And let's see. Using Moment. I have Moment installed. Moment.format. I don't know what that means. Just go in the heading. Moment.format. Oh, you have to save Moment. Acquire.js. NuGet. Add Moment. Install Webpack. I don't know what this is, I'm being honest. Display format. Um, I want to do somewhere that says like how many days ago, but what does it say when it registered? I can just put registered. I think that's fine. Instead of created on, just put registered. But yeah, I mean, eventually I'll actually go through and change that, like use Moment.js because it's in the requirements. But that looks good. Registered 28th. I like that. I'm pretty happy with this. A little couple little changes I gotta do. This is solid. I'm not gonna lie, very solid. The little toast notifications down there. I'm very happy with these pills. This looks really nice. I'm pretty much gonna copy and paste this for users and have everything be able to change roles and all that. Actually, now I think about that, shouldn't be too hard to change the roles and have it update when you come back to this. So I have it to where you can edit it and you can come back and see. Okay, you added more roles. Let me see actually. Let me see. What can I add on that's not on there? There's actually not too much. It's like I could even I just add a settings. It's like only the admin should be able to see like when someone last updated their profile or something. Like I shouldn't, as a customer or even like a developer, I shouldn't be able to go on someone's site and be like, oh, they changed their password 2 days ago. Like that's not relevant to me. Like I don't want to go and like do too much. Right? It doesn't make sense. It's like yeah, all you need is it's crazy. That's all you need though. Email, full name, roles, when it was created. I think it just feels bare bone. Like I want to add more, but this is all you need. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. There's a couple things I want to fix. Like this, I definitely want to fix because this, I don't really like how this looks. It's not even properly set up because this is supposed to be next to here, and these aren't the same length. Yeah, this for sure is gonna look a lot better. I'm gonna have, like I said, I'm at my sites looking similar to this. Not this professional. I'm not that skilled over yet, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.